Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally gonna do a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna do a bronzy look just because I don't know, I just been wanting to do a freaking bronzy tutorial. And yeah, I'm gonna do like a full face just so, because the eyes are gonna be so easy. But yeah, let's get started. So I just finished doing my eyebrows. I did them off camera just because I take too damn long. For this bronzy look, I'm just going to use literally just browns. I'm going to use this palette, which is the Morphe 39A. I'm just gonna apply those these three colors, these transition colors, all over my crease. Since I didn't set my my eye, I'm going to just literally just tap on the color. The concealer starts getting a little bit drier, that's when I'm gonna blend. But other than that, right now I'm just going to tap the color in. I'm going to use this Morphe 513. It looks like this. Whenever I blend, I like literally just like, I don't like this, my hand or my eyeshadow, I don't push it in and then blend, because it literally drags the whole eyeshadow and it just doesn't blend at all. I'm like slightly going to touch my skin, and that's how I'm going to blend. Okay, now I'm going to use this chocolatey brown right here, and I'm using this Morphe 441 brush. It's like more of a tapered brush, like you see. Okay, but I'm gonna use this one, this shade, and I'm literally just gonna put this shade on my outer corner, and I'm not gonna bring it inward. I'm just gonna literally put it right here. Okay, these are the eyes now. Since I want this to be a bronzy look, I'm going to add like a gold brown look shimmer. So I want to pull out my James Charles palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here, and then I'm just going to apply that on my lid. And I'm going to use a flat brush like this. Okay, I already did my eyes. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm going to use this moisturizer, the Dove one. I'm not sure if you can see. This Dove one. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. Oh, and I want a dewy look. I hate freaking dry skin. So I'd rather be looking oily than freaking dry. So yeah, I'm going to just rub all of this all over my face. Now, I'm normally dry. I feel like the most important thing for your foundation to look really good is if you have no hair like whatsoever. So if you have like facial hair, the foundation is gonna like stick on, it's gonna like se va a ver más than you know what it really is. But I'm using this vitamin E beauty oil. It says smoother, softer skin. So I'm just gonna use, like I said, like where I have more drier skin, it's on my cheeks. So I'm going to put this all over my cheeks. I'm just gonna rub it. And that little oil, it really works. It works really good. And I got that at Dollar Tree for like $1. And also the moisturizer, I got this for $1. And this one. And Dollar Tree always has like beauty things, but it's like you have to get it right there and then, or they won't have it again. So that's what sucks. And I remember that moisturizer, I saw it I like ran out of it, and I wanted another one, and they were literally gone. And then I was just like, oh, I should have got another one. It's just $1, but it works really, really well. So I'm gonna just let that sink in. And now I'm just gonna use this Clinique eye palm cream, so my eye bags can fluff up a little bit. I mean, people really don't look into skincare, and they always complain how their foundation is cracking, or is spotty, or it's like so many things. It's because of the skin. I feel like you have to take care of it good. Example, like people use primer. I don't like using primer. I rather use a lot of skincare, because I feel like primer just like it slips off. It's like it'll be like slippery, and that's how your makeup comes off. There are so many primers, and I feel like they all work the same. They don't work different. Like I don't see the difference. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but I'm gonna just put this all over. I'm gonna just like that. Special thing that I have to do the next day, what I like to do is do like this little oil. It works, like it actually works really good. And I think I saw the same brand at Walmart, Spa Naturals, algo así. But if I have to do something the next day where I want to do my makeup, I get out the shower, I do my, like, you know, wash my face or whatever, and I put this oil and all over before I sleep. And the next morning my face is so soft that it looks like really good. It's my face now, and now I'm gonna apply my foundation. The foundation I'm gonna use now, I think I'm gonna use this. Yeah, I think, yeah, I'll just go with it. I'm just gonna apply this all over my face, and the color I'm using is golden beige. Now I'm gonna add my concealer, which I'm gonna use the LA Pro, and then I'm using it in shade Porcelain. And then I get my beauty blender, and then I just like literally just go over it. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier setting powder and Secret brightening powder, and then I'm gonna use the little brush, and then I'm gonna just tap this all over my under eyes. Just because a big brush doesn't really get the creases, and I like using a small brush just because it actually does get it. Using this color right here, it's like this dark, well, looks dark. I used to not like blush at all. I guess because in high school I would wear, not high school, middle school, I would wear like tons of blush, and people would make fun of me and I guess I hated it. And then now I don't know, ever since I got into makeup, I love freaking blush now. But I remember I used to wear like I used to look literally like a payaso. They like wear so much blush, it was not even funny. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer. Since it's a bronzy look, I'm gonna like hella bronze myself. I'm going to use this AOA and Nebula, some stuff, yeah, Nebula highlighter, and it's so freaking pretty. But I'm gonna place that first on my cheek. This is the final look. It looks super good. It looks it's really, I don't know, I really like it. It's super bronzy, and I actually can wear this like almost in every day. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next.